Have you ever wondered how two electronic circuits can communicate without being electrically connected? The answer lies in a fascinating component called the Optocoupler. In this lecture, we'll explore what it is, how it works, and where it's used in modern electronics. Definition: an optocoupler, also known as an opto-isolator, is an electronic component that transfers electrical signals between two isolated circuits using light. It ensures that there is no direct electrical connection, only an optical one. Basic working principle. Inside an optocoupler, there are typically two main parts: an LED that converts electrical signals into light, and a photosensitive device, such as a photodiode, phototransistor, or photo-SCR, that detects this light and converts it back into an electrical signal. When current flows through the LED, it emits light, which is detected by the photosensitive device on the other side. This way, the signal passes through light, but the circuits remain isolated. Construction. Optocouplers are usually packaged in small IC form. Internally, they have an LED on one side and a photosensitive transistor on the other, placed inside a light-tight enclosure to prevent interference from external light. Types of optocouplers. There are different types of optocouplers depending on the photosensitive device used. Phototransistor optocoupler, the most common type. Photodiode optocoupler, used in high-speed communication. Photo-SCR or Photo-TRIAC optocoupler, used for switching AC loads. Applications. Optocouplers are widely used in switching power supplies for safety isolation, microcontroller interfaces to protect sensitive circuits, communication systems to eliminate electrical noise interference, and industrial automation for controlling high-voltage equipment safely. Advantages. Key advantages of optocouplers include electrical isolation between circuits, protection against voltage spikes, reduction of electrical noise interference, and safe signal transmission between low and high voltage systems. Conclusion. So, an optocoupler is like a bridge of light, carrying signals while keeping circuits electrically safe and isolated. This tiny component plays a huge role in making our electronic systems reliable and secure. Thank you for watching.